So how to change your channel settings so that your channel now lets YouTube know whether your content is made for kids or it is not made for kids. I'm going to show you guys how to set that at the channel level, and I'm also going to show you guys how to do that at the video level. So let's first and foremost go, and I want to show you guys how to set this at the video level. So you want to go into your actual channel. Click on your channel. You want to go into your YouTube studio. And then in order to change it at the video level, you want to go down to where it says videos. You want to click on your video. So I'm going to go down to this video here. I haven't changed it on this one. And then once you get into there, you'll see, if you scroll down, it'll say, is this video made for kids? Yes, it's made for kids. No, it's not made for kids. So I'm going to click on that and it says no, it's not made for kids. So now they do give you the ability to set this channel wide, so you don't have to do this every single time. And so since I have a channel that is not necessarily catered toward children, I'm going to go and I'm going to set that at the channel level. Okay. So in order to do that, in the same area, so in YouTube Studio, you come down to where it says settings, and then you want to click on channel, and then you want to go into your advanced settings. And so once you go into advanced settings, you'll see how you can say at the channel level, yes, set this channel as made for kids. I always upload content that's made for kids. No, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids. And I want to review this setting for every video. So if you feel like you want to review the setting on every video, if some of your videos may be for kids and some may not be, then you may want to choose that one. I just know that my actual channel, I don't do any videos that are for kids. I mostly focus on entrepreneurs. So that's how you guys do it. Let me know in the comments, what did you guys set your channel on? Is your channel set to made for kids, not made for kids? Are you going to review the videos? I want to hear from you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.